Hello, I am Nivan. Today I am going to present you the experiment number 4, the heat of the ionic reaction and Hess law. In this experiment we have to use the solution calorimeter, and here you can see the calorimetric thermometer which we are going to use in our experiment. I can show you how to turn on this one, and the switch is in the back of the instrument. You can turn on this like this. Okay, now I am going to show you how to take out the sample tray and the Dever bottle. Before that, first you have to remove the driving belt. This is the sample tray. And this is the Dever bottle. Now I will show you how to put the sample into the sample tray. First you have to pull this glass tube to take out the sample tray like this. After that you have to clean the sample tray. In here I will load the sample tray using the THAM to find out the heat capacity of the calorimeter. You can take the sample and carefully load the sample tray. The next step is connect the sample tray to the sample holder. The next step is you have to measure the 100 milliliter of HCl. Then you can add this HCl to the Dever bottle. When you are using this sample tray, you have to use your both hands to hold the sample tray like this. Now I am going to turn on the computer software. In the desktop you can see this calorimeter icon. You have to click on. It takes some time to open the software, and here you can click on the data log. Then in calorimeter it show a tab mentioned in diagnostics. This one you can click it and then click the data logger. Then delete data log file. you can click it, and you can come back to the computer and press F5. You can see all the previous data are deleted. After you clean the data, you can click on the start. Now you can see the driving belt is working. In here you can click the no. If you want to add a name for your experiment, you can type it here. After that, press the enter. After that, you have to click on the main menu and calorimeter operation. You can see it start the calculating the time from 14, and you have to wait around 7 to 6 minutes. After that, the calorimeter make a beep sound. You can see now the time is around 7:54. Now it take around 6 minutes. You can see now the window is appear for start the reactions. In this window appear, you have to press this glass rod very gently like this and press the continue button. You can see the time is again continuously calculating, and after the reaction finish, and the machine will make a beep sound again. Okay, now you can see the reaction has finished, and the display indicate the initial temperature and the temperature rise. You have to write down or record these values for your calculation. After you finish the measurements for THAM, you have to repeat these steps for magnesium and magnesium oxide in your experiments. After your measurements and your experiment, you have to clean all the equipments. Carefully remove the sample tray. Wash the sample tray with the distilled water. After that, remove the Dever bottle containing HCl. Clean the Dever bottle also with water. After all the experiments, you have to turn off the computer and the calorimeter. You can close the software and also turn off the computer. And also turn off the calorimeter.